Ooh. There's our little cart that they provided for us. Squeeze everything in there. Oh, there it is. GoPro. GoPro. The warriors in the woods. The warriors in the woods. Alright, what else we need back here? Oh, we need the bumpboxx. Oh yeah. Oh, can't forget my hat. Garbage. Bumpboxx. Because we be bumping. Let's just put it right here for right now. There we go. We got the bumpboxx. Alright, are we ready?
Yep.
All right.
We have to come back for the cooler.
Oh yeah, I forgot we have cooler too. Okay. Alright, let's go down the path. Slowly. Look at those tires. Woo-hoo! Off-road tires, baby. Got the phone sitting on top there. Got the iPads. Got all the camera gear for the GoPros. We got some clothes. We got some goodies in the bag. And we got
hiking shoes.
Hiking shoes. Hiking boots. And we got toiletries. Yeah. Look at these boulders.
Very smooth over all these bumps.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
No, I mean the cart though.
Yeah. Well, it's got the off-road tires on it. Come on. Put these big rocks back here, I'm guessing, to stop people from driving all the way back here. Look at this thing. So cool. I'll have to go check out the other ones and get more. A couple more videos of the other cabins. I can't wait to look at this tree. What a view. Alright, we're gonna unload, set everything up, and I'll be back in a few. Alright, welcome back to the cabin. Alright, let's go over this stuff here on the table. Babe, do you want to go through everything here? And
Yeah, it looks like we have a little note from them because, of course, like we said before, there's nobody here when you check in. You just come and you go right to your cabin. So they left us a little note saying, welcome and a happy birthday. We're so excited you're here and can't wait for you to rediscover the wonders of the wild. You'll find a map inside the little book of moments, which, there we go. So it's got trail maps and just a few little recommendations, it looks like. Neat. And it says there are also local snacks and beverages. So we've got some trail mix, very nice, from the trees for the trails. Chocolate chips, dried cranberries, natural almonds, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, coconut flakes, and pistachios. That's a nice little mix. Be good for the hike. And then looks like some locally sourced honey from the bee's knees.
from the bee's knees. Nice little jar of honey. I'm gonna have to taste that.
It says we can feel free to take them home, and if we have any questions, they are a call or text away.
Oops. I hit the tree.
Looks like we've got a little bit of mosquito repellent here as well.
Ooh, mosquito repellent. Check it out.
Always good in case you forget to bring some.
I believe there's another one of those in the bathroom drawer.
Nice.
As well.
Very handy for when we go for our hike. And it looks like this is some sort of a little aroma thing. 10-minute aroma cedarwood. Interesting.
Neat.
Oh, isn't that lovely? Nice little gifts that they have left for us, and we get to have for our enjoyment.
All right, let's try the bee's knees. Dip. Uh-oh, I'm gonna make a mess.
Probably.
All right. Mmm. We had some good stuff. Yum. You wanna try it, babe?
Let's give it a little taste. That's tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
All right. All right, just wanted to go through the stuff on the desk there for you guys. And a little welcome note that they left us. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.